When you present, it's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Many of us focus on the content of a presentation, but neglect the delivery part of the presentation. But this performative element, this delivery part, is really crucial to being able to deliver an effective message and really inspire, influence, and impact an audience. I'm going to give you 3 examples now of what I'm talking about. Number 1, the facial expression you make as you greet your audience. Number 2, the pace and volume at which you speak at to really hit home your key message. And number 3, the hand gestures that you make to emphasize key words. Now, my recommendation is to set aside a specific amount of time to really practice and rehearse the delivery part of your presentation. In an ideal world, you'll be finished with the content 3 to 4 days before your presentation, so you have a specific amount of time remaining just to focus on the delivery part of your presentation, aka the art of expression. Let me know in the comments, do you focus on rehearsing specifically the delivery part of your presentation? Let me know.